Hi, I'm Tanish from the Gujarat Tech Titans, Ahmedabad's first FTC team. Okay, hello everyone and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to deal with NotebookLM. It's an AI software provided by Google and it does a lot for you. It can take all of your school sources and create all sorts of stuff like audio reviews to podcast, to flowcharts and summaries. So what I'm going to do is use my grade 7 computer science notes and try and get it to create a couple of things for me. As you can see, there's a huge amount of stuff over here. Let it just load and let's just wait a minute. So you can see all of these different things like infographics, flashcards, mind maps, audio reviews, videos, reports, quizzes, and slide decks. And we'll do some of these. As you can see, nearly everything is done. Let's just open one of these and just see what it has. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So this is something on flowcharts, and as you can see, it's got all sorts of stuff. You can understand what each flowchart should have. So yeah, let's ask it something about it. So tell me what flowchart do. So let's just ask it what flowcharts do. Okay, it's reading the pages and it's going to give me, I think, a summary. So let's just wait a minute. Yeah. So flowcharts have all these process symbols, terminal symbols, flow lines, decision symbols, input data, and all that. And as you can see, this is there. You can see the flow line, the terminal symbol. So it got it. Yeah. So it is very reliable. So let's make a mind map out of all of this, I think. Yeah, it will take a bit of time. In the meantime, let's get a report if we need. So let's not do a report. Let's just watch what the mind map gives us, and let's see. We'll use a concept explainer report. I think that should do the job. It will tell us about that, and let's just see. Let's just put an audio overview. It will be ready in a few minutes. Yeah. Let's see what the flowchart has for us. So you can see for history of computers, computer components, storage, networking, etc. And each line connects to another line that connects to another line. So you can see sticks, then the backers, then procedures, and all of that. And each generation had vacuum tube, then there was the transistor. So it's really nailed it in this. If we click one of them, you get to understand what that point means. Like, see, discuss what these sources mean for third generation, It's trying to understand and it should give us a pretty good answer that delves into it. Yeah, so it's talking about the third generation computers 1964 to 1971, what it had, what languages, advantages, disadvantages, and all of that. So it's really got everything. Instead of going through the book, I can just ask it from here only and save so much time. It's all nailed down to its required points and it's got like everything. Let's keep looking at that flowchart. And as you can see, this is a big flowchart. That just shows how massive our syllabus is. But then it's also split down into these small points, which really makes things way easier. Let's quickly download this and let's just save it as a picture. Let's see it for a minute, and yeah, you can see it's got everything. Like the picture will take time to load because it's a very high resolution picture. But yeah, you can see that even the report is pretty good. It talks all about the computer, how it works, etc. And the audio will take a bit of time. So what I want to do right now is ask like um what do advanced flowcharts do? Or what do advanced flowcharts contain like that? But no, let's just try like what do vacuum tubes have or something. So this time we are not taking from our data, we are asking from Google, we are getting a research out of it. So it's like finding that data, and now we have got all of this data from Wikipedia and some other data sources, and we can just import these. Yeah, so now that's a new source. Let's just ask it now. What do vacuum tubes do? And how do they work? It should use the new sources according to me because my notes from my school don't really have that, but the new sources have them. So it'll take a minute, and yeah, it's got everything. It shows how the electrodes work, etc. And it's really got it. And now let's see the audio review.
Welcome to the deep dive.
Yeah, so this is like a
When you think
podcast
about
where
it,
two
almost
people are
everything we use,
talking and
from our
all of
phones to
that.
our cars,
And
relies
I
on
and
this
let's just download it for future
massive,
use because
invisible
I'm
world
going to
of logic and
listen to
physics.
it while working. So it will really help me out in this way. And this is not everything NotebookLM has. You've got audio, video, mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, and all of this. But I'm saying it's a pretty good AI for you to use, and that's why I'm suggesting you should use it. It makes all of your study work much more easier. So I think you should use it. Like, it's an amazing AI that saves a lot of time, and I like it a lot. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.